Okay, what we're going to look at today is our types of triangles. And there are 4 types of triangles. The first one is called an equilateral triangle. Okay, now we know our triangles have 3 sides, and that comes from the tri in the triangle. Okay, so an equilateral, if we think about the start of this and we think about equal, okay, this gives us a wee hint. In an equilateral triangle, okay, we have 3 equal sides, okay, 3 equal sides. And that is shown with the wee dash on each side. And what is special is that we have 3 equal angles. Okay, so this angle down here and this angle and the top angle are all the same, and in this case they will always be 60, 60 and 60, because the angles in a triangle add up to 180. Okay, so 3 equal angles of 60 degrees and 3 equal sides. The next type of triangle is an isosceles. An isosceles, right, people may have described this like a witch's hat. Okay, so if we look at the isosceles, we have 2 longer sides and a narrower side in between, and these 2 sides are the same, so we have 2 equal sides. We refer to this as the witch's hat. Okay, and we also have 2 special parts. This angle at the bottom and this angle at the bottom are the same, so we have 2 equal angles. Now we don't know what size they are. They can be different in every type of isosceles triangle, but when we see a triangle like this, these 2 lines mean these 2 sides are equal, and then that means it's an isosceles, so therefore these 2 angles will also be equal. The third type of triangle is a right angle triangle, and we all know that our right angles are created by 2 lines, our horizontal and our vertical, and we have this wee box in the corner which recognizes that this is 90 degrees. And we'll finish it off. There's the third line. Okay, now we don't know anything else for definite about a right angle triangle. These 2 sides could be the same, but if there's no 2 lines on them, then they're not. We know that this is 90. We don't know the size of these 2, but this will always be 90 in a right angled triangle. The key thing is, in a right angled triangle, we know one angle for definite. This one here is 90, and it's shown with the little box. And our last type of triangle is a scalene triangle. And a scalene triangle, there is nothing the same. So there is no equal sides and no equal angles. Okay, now we need to know those types of triangles when we move on to deal with our angles in triangles. But this task will be asking you to identify, here's some triangles. Are they right angled, scalene, isosceles or equilateral? Okay.